8 Best Full Tower PC Cases, 2024. Number 8. Antech Performance 1FT. It boasts intuitive features that enhance user experience and system visibility. Its temperature display allows users to effortlessly monitor their system's status at a glance, providing real-time information to keep track of critical metrics. The Antech iUnity feature offers instant access to essential PC specifications, providing users with immediate data on their system's performance and configurations for quick reference. This case prioritizes cable management with 2 included cable covers, optimizing routing for a clean and organized interior. Additionally, it features a Type-C 10 gigabits per second port, offering high-speed connectivity for modern devices. Number 7. Asus ROG Hyperion. It is a powerhouse chassis designed for enthusiasts seeking extra cooling capacity and striking aesthetics. Its semi-open structure enhances airflow, accommodating up to 2 420mm radiators for extensive AIO or custom water cooling setups. The robust die-cast aluminum alloy frame not only provides durability but also serves as handles capable of supporting weights of up to 80 kilograms, ensuring ease of transport and handling. It features a built-in storage drawer and an integrated graphics card holder, elevating the building experience with premium usability. The Hyperion includes a graphics card holder that supports both vertical and horizontal installations, providing flexibility in GPU positioning. With 2 front panel Type-C ports supporting 60W fast charge and embedded. Number 6. Lian Li LE1D LW. It is a full-tower chassis that stands out with its unique dual modes, offering both normal mode and reverse mode configurations. With front and side tempered glass panels, the case provides an unobstructed view of your components and RGB lighting, allowing for a visually stunning showcase of your build. Its removable pillar enhances accessibility and customization, enabling users to modify the case layout effortlessly to suit their preferences. This chassis is a powerhouse for cooling enthusiasts, accommodating up to 3 420mm radiators and supporting a maximum of 11 fans, ensuring exceptional heat dissipation for high-performance systems. Also caters to storage needs, offering mounting space for up to 7 storage drives, providing ample room for data storage and organization. Number 5. Thermaltake View 51 Snow. It illuminates your system with its striking visual features, boasting 2 pre-installed 200mm 5V ARGB fans and an ARGB light bar on the front panel. Syncing effortlessly with compatible motherboards from Asus, Gigabyte, MSI, ROG, and Biostar featuring a 5V addressable RGB header, this case provides a stunning visual experience. Innovative design features define the View 51 Snow, highlighted by the patented rotational PCIe 8 slots that enable users to display graphic cards vertically or horizontally based on their preference. The case's intelligent space allocation ensures tidy cable management and PSU placement on the right side, maintaining a clean and organized interior. Number 4. Corsair Obsidian Series 1000D. Emerges as the ultimate supertower PC case, boasting an iconic and sleek exterior design accentuated by 4 smoke-tempered glass panels and seamlessly integrated RGB lighting. Its aesthetic appeal marks a pinnacle within the Obsidian series, setting a new standard for sophisticated elegance in PC cases. The 1000DS standout feature lies in its ability to accommodate both a complete eATX and mini ITX system simultaneously, allowing users to seamlessly stream and game from a single enclosure. This groundbreaking capability enables the integration of 2 motherboards, 2 power supplies, and essentially 2 full PCs within a single case, delivering unparalleled versatility and functionality. It takes cooling options to unprecedented levels, offering space for up to 18 fan mounts and the capacity to house 4 480mm radiators concurrently. Its built-in smart lighting and fan control, managed via the integrated Corsair Commander Pro and Corsair ICUE software, grant users superior control over system elements. Number 3. Fantex ES 620 PTG Intho Pro. It stands as a high-performance full tower that pushes the boundaries, catering to extreme workstations and accommodating dual systems with remarkable ease. Its spacious, open interior is a marvel, supporting up to SSAEB motherboards and offering the flexibility for dual 480 and dual 360 radiator installations simultaneously. This versatility extends to its support for dual vertical GPUs and systems/PSUs, setting the stage for uncompromising builds. The integrated digital RGB controller adds a touch of modernity, syncing seamlessly with compatible motherboards and Fantex digital RGB products, enhancing the case's visual appeal while offering expansive options for customization. In terms of configuration options, the Enthoo Pro doesn't hold back. It's a playground for enthusiasts, boasting an extreme array of fan support with up to 15 mounting locations. Number 2. Dark Base Pro 900. Stands tall as a product designed for discerning and demanding players seeking the pinnacle of performance and customization. Crafted with exceptional workmanship quality, this case is a testament to precision engineering, offering a premium build that caters to the needs of enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its meticulous design and construction ensure durability and reliability, providing a solid foundation for high-performance PC builds. With an immersive experience at its core, it not only delivers on functionality but also elevates the user's interaction with their system, allowing for an unparalleled level of customization and personalization. Identified by the model number BGW15, this case embodies a fusion of innovation and craftsmanship to meet the exacting standards of today's power users. Number 1. Cooler Master Cosmos C700M. Stands as a pinnacle of versatility in PC case design. Boasting a highly adaptable layout, it accommodates diverse build configurations with ease. Its ingenious provision for graphics card mounting via a riser cable offers unparalleled flexibility, enabling users to showcase their GPUs in various orientations for both aesthetics and improved cooling. The case's Argo lighting system enhances the visual appeal, accentuating its sleek contours while offering 8 expansive expansion slots that cater to multiple add-on components. Its extensive cable cover system not only ensures a clutter-free interior but also simplifies cable management, facilitating an organized and visually appealing build. It redefines modularity and functionality with its comprehensive design features. Its adaptability shines through the provision of ample space and support for diverse liquid cooling setups, allowing users to integrate custom cooling solutions effortlessly. The case's 8 expansion slots offer room for expansion and customization, catering to the needs of enthusiasts and professionals alike. Get the link to these PC cases in the description.